Doing another pre-flight. It's rainy right now though, so we're just doing it. Alright. Pitot tube covers removed. We moved that already. POH is in the back of the seat there. Aircraft weight and balance, that's already checked that. Parking brake, we're not going to use that. Control wheel lock. Got that down. Magneto switch, that's off. Avionics master switch, that's off. Master switch, mass battery on.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch them walk through.
Alright, fuel quantity, it's good. We're completely full of fuel there. Avionics master switch on. That avionics sounds good. Shut that off. And now the Sierra panel switch, hold in the test position. Good. That's it. Pitot. I think we might need pitot heat, so. Uh-oh, shoot.
Shut up.
The control wheel lock? Yeah, it's removed already. Alright. Our fuel. Lights are off. I'm gonna just check the lights real quick. Come out here. I don't know if they're good. It's like really bright. Real weak lights. And flaps. Put those down all the way down. Watch your head. I said watch your head. And that's fuel selector valve. It's on both. Fuel shutoff valve is all the way in. And now we can shut the battery off. Trim set for takeoff. And that's it for the interior. It's really starting to rain hard enough, so I'm gonna stop it right here.